Welcome to this video. Today we are going to see how to install Windows by using a USB flash disk. This is a flash disk that has an operating system. We are going to see how to boot a computer from USB flash. I have to plug this flash disk to my computer and then turn on the computer. After, you have to press F9. Here you have to select our USB. You have to select our USB disk. This general U disk. This is our flash that has an operating system. Then press enter. Okay. This computer is booting from this flash disk. Remember that we are going to install an operating system into this computer by using flash disk. Okay, this is our welcome window where we are going to select language to install, time and current format. In the keyboard input, here you have US, then click next. Here we have install now. Click on install now. Setup is starting. Remember, this setup is saved on our flash disk. Then here you have to select or to choose the operating system we are going to install. This is the Windows 10 Pro that has 64 bit. Then click next. Okay, here you have to accept the terms license. Then click next. Then here we need to install Windows only custom. You have to choose custom. Then this is our hard disk located into our computer. Then you are going to delete all in order to get the single size of this disk. You have to delete all because we are going to format. Okay, you see, this is the driver 0, which is unallocated space. Then you have to click new. We are going to make partition of this hard disk where we are going to use 2 partition only. Let us change or set the size to 65 gigabyte. Then apply. Okay, this is the system result and this is the unallocated space. You have to set or to format it. Then here you have to partition, and this is the partition 1 is the system result, the second partition and the third partition. We are going to choose where we need to install Windows. Let us choose this one. Then here you have to click next. Then it is starting to copy Windows file. This will be up to 100%, up to this finishing up. Here you have to wait. Okay, here the region. Then here you have to choose US keyboard. Then here you have to click skip. Here we don't have internet. I don't have internet. Then here you have to click continue with limited setup. Here you have to write the name of this computer, which is the username. It has write user. Then next. Here this is the input for password. Create a super memorable password. You have to leave this, or you can create it if you want. Next. Then click yes. Then here you have to accept. Accept. Then you have to wait. Here it is telling us we are getting everything ready for you. Okay, this is the welcome screen where our computer is already installed, and then we are going to custom or to customize this screen. It is telling us you need to activate your window. You have to check on the previous video where I have told you how to activate your window. And then after to activate your window, you have to customize your desktop by clicking here on the themes, then desktop setting. You have to click or to tick computer network. Just choose this one only, then apply. Okay, remember to activate your window. Okay, thank you for watching this video.